it's Tweetie here, and I have great news for you. This is the fourth training session, and it is related to the gardening that we've been doing, or that I've been suggesting anyway. And I want to let you know that at the end of this video, I am going to have a special hook about what you can get out of your cabinets to help you. So hang in there and we'll get to that closer to the end of the video. My name is Tweetie for any of you who have just dropped in lately and wanted to know what's going on here. And I've got BirdDog is my sweetheart. We've been married over 30 years. And if I mention any links or anything, all of them will be down in the description. All right, so what we're going to talk about today is how you can stop somebody who's bleeding profusely, but this is for when the world as we know it has ended, or the SHIT has hit the fan. And so it's not for when you've got doctors around and that sort of thing. This is proven. You can do the research and you'll find out that what I'm telling you is the absolute truth. But save it for the big things. You can test it out, little things at home when little things happen, but don't rely on this for the big things until there's no doctors around. And this is all for information only. And so what I want to tell you is that if you have somebody who gets hurt and is bleeding, and blood is made in the heart, and it's sent out through the body, and some people are on warfarin or Coumadin or other blood thinning things, and if the world ended as we know it, and we couldn't get to doctors, they are going to need, because like BirdDog, he is going to need help because he's on a pacemaker. Pacemakers need to be ran with thinner blood. Some people out there have disorders where they automatically have thin blood or thick blood, and they have to have certain medications to help that out. Some people end up getting blood clots and have to have blood thinner. And if any of those kind of things happen while the world is shut down, you need to know if you have anything in your garden that can help you. And if you've been growing what I've been telling you, you'll have yarrow, and that can be used as a patch and a tea at the same time to help reduce blood flow. It will slow it down. And if you hold a patch of the leaves on the wound, it will congeal the blood and it will stop the blood flow. You have to hold pressure on it and it will stop. The makeup of the plant itself has something in it that will stop you from bleeding. By the same token, if you need to bleed a little faster or want it to come out, or you've got an infection, you can use garlic the same way. And so that's why we need to know that we've at least got something growing in our yard, in our garden, that can help with major things. Now, I don't know about you, but I certainly wouldn't want to have BirdDog and me not be able to take care of him in case the world ended and he couldn't get his medicine anymore. And now it's time for the secret stuff. What am I talking about? Well, in your kitchen cabinets, instead of using the yarrow to stop the blood, You can use turmeric or turmeric, depending on what part of the country you're in, or you can use vitamin E. You just put a bunch of it on top of the wound and hold it down, and it will, holding it down will slow the blood, of course, but with these items from your kitchen cabinets, it will help the blood clot. On the other hand, if you need somebody to have, and you realize they've got a blood clot in their leg or their arm or something, and you need it to thin the blood, you need to give them cayenne pepper or a tea bag. Now, just like if somebody has an infection in their tooth, you take the tea bag, you open it up, you pour a little of the tea out of the bag, wind it back up, put a little clove inside of it so that it helps numb the infection, get it wet, and put it in the mouth, and it will draw out the poison. The tea bag will help get rid of or pull forward an infection or blood. So those are the two things from each of your cabinets that you can use for each of the two situations. And that's what we've done. Now, I have to tell you that I would like you to subscribe. I would like you to ring the bell, and I would like you to like this video. I want you to subscribe. I want you to be part of our team. And I know that you can get a lot of information from our site as time goes on, because this is only the beginning. We're in this for the long haul. Talk to you later. Angels all around.